Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 17,028, 300 points down was Nifty yesterday. 1.77% drop. 2.4% drop was Nifty Bank. 963 points down. Let's see where the SGX Nifty is. SGX Nifty is pointing to a mild positive tinge. But yes, there is a negative hangover which is there in the markets as of now. Let's look at the technical levels as such. Considering 17,035, 17,000, 16,790, major supports on the lower side. 17,200, 17,500 are the resistance points for Nifty as of now, as we are positioned. Nifty yesterday, we saw long unwinding and let's see how it pans out during the day. But there are some shorts in the system, so that's something which we need to be cautious about. 17,000 is the litmus test, psychological level. 17,000, 16,900 will be the approximate range for Nifty as a psychological level. Looking at the OI picture, 16,500 and 17,000 are two major levels on the lower side. And on the higher side, we are seeing a concentration there. 17,200, 17,300, and then 17,500 is a major level positioned as per the calls open interest. Looking at the Bank Nifty, 38,700 thereabouts was where we shut shop. So 38,000, 37,400. Are two major supports. Of course, 38,500 is the intermittent psychological level. On the higher side, you have 39,000, 39,500 as the two major levels which we are seeing. On an overall basis, 40,000 happens to be strong resistance as we are positioned as of now. Looking at the OI picture from futures, you have seen some amount of long unwinding, and there are shorts in the system which have come up in Bank Nifty. So let's see how that evolves during the day. Looking at the OI picture from options, 39,000 and 39,500, 40,000 are the major levels from the calls, and 38,000 happens to be a major level for the puts. As far as top gainers and losers are concerned, Metropolis, Lalpath Labs, Ipca Labs, mostly from the pharma segment, were the top gainers. RBL Bank, Canfin Homes, and India Cement were the major losers for the day. Looking at the index contribution, we saw IT contributing positively, 19.47 points, but private banks contributed negatively, 86 points, 22 points negative contribution from metals, 42 points negative contribution from auto, close to 59 points negative contribution from oil, close to 42 points negative contribution from NBFCs. So there's only one outlier, which is the IT sector as of now. Looking at the built up, so you have capital goods, infra, metals on the short side. You have auto ancillary, cement on the long unwinding end. You have short covering, which will happen in IT. So that's the picture as of now. Considering the scenario, Godrej Properties is one stock which one can look at. और अगर मैं चाहूंगा तो कहना चाहूंगा तो 1130 का मेजर सपोर्ट है, थोड़ा प्रेशर में रह सकता है ये काउंटर, और 1130 के ब्रेकडाउन पर 1100 की लेवल पकड़ सकते हैं. So 1130 and 1100 are the two major supports. और ऊपर के बाद जो देखेंगे तो मेरे हिसाब से 1240 और 1280, 1200 ये तीन लेवल है. 1200, 1240, 1280 ये तीन लेवल है ऊपर के बाजू. So 1200, 1240 and 1280 are the major resistance for this counter. Looking at the OI picture from futures, you are seeing a short built up clearly. और देखें अगर ऑप्शन सिनेरियो में तो 1200 happens to be a resistance point and major support zone I think is around 1100. Another stock on the radar, HDFC Life, 520 का support है, और 520 के नीचे 500 के नेक्स्ट मेजर लेवल है, तो वो देख सकते हैं। और 550 और 580 का लगभग 2 रेजिस्टेंस पॉइंट्स हैं। So this is also on the negative side. HDFC Life, again, we are seeing short built up coming in. And looking at the OI picture, again, so we are seeing 520, 500, and major resistances around 540 and 580. Looking at the band list, Idea, Z Limited, PNB are the 3 stocks in the securities in the band list. And these are the levels which we discussed, a summary of what we discussed. Godrej Properties and HDFC Life on the negative side. You have short built up, capital goods, infra, metals. Band list में India, Idea, Z Limited and PNB is there. And before I wrap up, I would like to highlight to you that this is for educational purpose, and please consult your financial advisor and follow strict stop losses in the derivatives market when you're trading in derivatives. And please take advice from your financial advisor before stepping ahead. That's important. And as I repeatedly say, that follow and adhere to stop losses as per your risk appetite. So that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading. All the best.